looks funnier back there.
3, 2, 1. Get left, get left, get left, get left. Let him out, let him out, let him out.
Uh-oh. You alright?
Generator.
I'm sorry, Glenn. I love you. We good? Let's go, Memo. Oh, sorry, bro. You alright? Am I filming now? Uh-uh.
What do you think?
Good.
Get player, let him out.
I don't see no one. You see him?
No.
Wanna move?
Someone hit the box right here. Go to the box. Wanna go to the box?
Go to the box.
I'll cover you. Ready, go. What do you see? Oh, shit.
How's it look?
Huh?
How's it look?
Good.
It doesn't sound good. Hey, ref, I'm gonna throw a nade over here.
Said it all loud.
I'll throw it over.
Let's go, let's go. Who's with me, Kyle? Who's with me?
I got you, go.
Oh, shit. He's behind the window. He's behind the car, behind the black car. That kill me?
Let him out, let him out. Yeah.
That guy's out, right?
You're out. You're it.
Thank you, ref. What's that?